Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your purchase history on your Steam account. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now, if you wish to view your purchase history within your Steam account, then click on your user ID at the top right corner, and then click on Account Details. Now, within the Account Details page, you will see the View Purchase History button. Just click on this button, and now this will show you all of the products that you have purchased and the transactions that you have made from your Steam account. You may seek assistance if you wish for any specific purchase that you have made by clicking on the appropriate purchase. You can also view your licenses and product keys that you have activated by clicking on the option just underneath the purchase history. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to view all of your purchases that you have made on your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.